What is up, my mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing Stronger With You Intensely by Emporio Armani. But before I get into the review, if you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, just hit that big red subscribe button down below. It helps me out more than you can possibly imagine. And it lets me know that you're continuing to enjoy the content that I make here on YouTube. So Stronger With You Intensely comes in at about $140 on special at various retailers across Australia. This is the intense version of Stronger With You, and it takes a lot of that luxurious decadence of Stronger With You and ramps it up to 11. The presentation of the box, clean and a little luxurious as well, black with bronze accents. And as for the bottle, it gets even better. The glass is thick and the cap is metallic as well. You can just tell by looking at it that it's a highly concentrated parfum. Straight away you are hit with that decadent caramel note. There's a little bit of, I'm not going to say it's like an espresso coffee, but there is something coffee-ish about the fragrance. And beneath all of that is a subtle woodiness that keeps this in the realm of masculine-leaning fragrances. I know a lot of guys out there are hesitant to be wearing female-leaning fragrances or feminine-smelling scents, and to my nose at least, this does lean a little feminine in its sweetness, but you shouldn't let that deter you from wearing it because it performs absolutely immaculately. This is a 14-hour plus fragrance, at least it is on my skin, and it is a machine when it comes to compliments. One of the best qualities of Stronger With You Intensely is that it projects quite well. 2 sprays on your jacket or on your skin, and it sort of creates a little bubble around you of the fragrance, and you are going to get compliments for wearing this. The only person that I wouldn't really recommend this for is somebody that is more hesitant to wear female feminine fragrances. The sweetness in this can be a little overpowering, and I understand that not everybody likes smelling sweet. I'm typically not the biggest fan of sweet smelling fragrances, but I think it's done so tastefully and luxuriously here that it's kind of an exception. If you like fragrances like Yo Pomme et de Parfum or Yo Pomme Le Parfum, then this is going to be right up your alley. I can also see somebody that likes Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy EDT enjoying this one as well. At $140 Australian, the price for this one may be a barrier for some people, but what you do get for that money is a niche quality fragrance. This performs amazingly, it projects, it's powerful, and it is a widely appreciated scent. So if you're in the market for around $150 winter fragrance and you don't mind smelling it sweet and a little edible, then Stronger With You Intensely is the fragrance for you. It smells fantastic, it'll get you compliments, and it lasts all day. If you've ever worn Stronger With You Intensely or the regular Stronger With You, let me know in the comments below, as I love hearing from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.